Pagka po ang boss ninyo ay nagagalit, minsan lagi nyo na lang iisipin po that that's part of your work. Lalo na po ngayon when the economy is not that good. Asahan nyo na po na ay halos lahat ng boss magiging mainit ang ulo. Yung perfectionist, that's really an attitude, pero that actually helps you as an employee. Now, ito na lang ang tip ko sa iyo, anak. Sa kada magagalit ang boss mo, lagi nating iisipin that karapatan nilang magalit because they're feeling something na hindi okay. Pero wag niyong pepersonalin. Kasi one, it could be an affliction. Second, you don't know where they're coming from. Third, you stand on your truth. Diba? We don't have to live in a very perfect life. Hindi lahat yan ay magiging perfecto all the time. So let's accept challenges as it is. Let's accept challenges as something that we can learn from and that could make us a better person.